Normally, for January, we do a top list of the new cars for December. Pero dahil konti lang ito, naisip namin, why not try something different? This 2022, nakakita tayo ng around 100 new cars here in the Philippines. Parang pre-pandemic levels, no? Kaya naman naisip namin, why not have a quick rundown of all these cars para alam nyo ang latest models na meron dito sa atin. Kaya ito ang video natin ngayon, ang top list of the new cars of 2022. Mabilisan lang ito, so kumapit kayo sa inyong mga upuan at cellphone or laptop. Kotse ba? Feel kotse na. January, BMW 520i Luxury, Mercedes AMG A35 4MATIC, Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLS Sport Limited Edition, Mitsubishi Montero Sport Black Series, Lexus NX, Peugeot 5008. Noong February, Audi e-tron, Ford F-150 Lariat Apex Limited Edition, Geely M Grand, Kia Carnival, Mazda MX-5 with improved performance, Mazda CX-9, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Peugeot 3008, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Toyota Race. Nitong March, Changan CS35 Plus, Lexus LX600, MG HS, Porsche Macan, new variants for the Suzuki Desire and Carry, Suzuki Swift, Peugeot Traveler, Toyota Corolla Cross GRS, Toyota Avanza. Itong April naman, BMW 2 Series, BMW iX, Chevrolet Tahoe, Chery Tiggo 8 Pro Plug-in Hybrid, Photon Thunder, Geely Coolray GT Limited Edition, Honda HR-V, MG5 Core Plus, Nissan Navara Caliber X, Peugeot 2008, Subaru BRZ, Subaru Forester, Toyota Veloz, Toyota Corolla Altis GRS, Volvo XC60, XC90, and S90 with new Boost Hybrid. May naman, Mitsubishi Strada GLS, refresh Mitsubishi Expander, Suzuki Celerio. Nitong June, Chevrolet Suburban, Maserati Levante Hybrid, Mazda CX-5 Turbo, Subaru WRX, Subaru WRX Wagon, Toyota Rush GRS. July, Ford Ranger, Ford Everest, new variants for the Suzuki D-Max, Land Rover Range Rover, Mercedes-Benz GLB 22 Progressive Line, Suzuki Espresso SE, Toyota Light Ace, Weltmeister W5. August, BMW X3, Hyundai Tucson, Hyundai Staria, Hyundai Santa Fe, Hyundai Creta, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Nissan Kicks e-Power, Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, Toyota GR86. September, Chery Tiggo 8 Pro 2.0T, Honda HR-V RS, JAC S4, Lexus ES 300H, Lexus UH Hybrid, Mazda CX-3, Mazda MX-5 MCP 25th Edition, Mazda CX-8, Mercedes-Benz GLA, GLC, and GLE, Mitsubishi Montero Sport Rally Art, Mitsubishi Strada Rally Art, Nissan Livina, Toyota Fortuner, Toyota Hilux GRS. October, Lexus IS, Mercedes-Benz E-Class Avantgarde, Nissan Leaf, Subaru XV Leather Suede Deluxe Edition, Tata Intra V10, Toyota Hilux. November, Honda BR-V, Hyundai Stargazer, Maserati MC20, Mazda BT50 Pangolin Edition 2, Mini Resolute Edition, Mitsubishi Mirage G4 Black Series, Nissan Urvan. December, Changan Uni-K, Changan Unity, Subaru XV, Subaru Forester, Land Rover Defender 130, MG GT. And that's our quick rundown of all the new cars launched in the Philippines in 2022. Tingnan natin this year if tama ba ang hula namin sa upcoming cars of 2023 at kung ano pa mga bagong darating dito sa Pilipinas. So yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa Philcoche channel, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-like na kayo, mag-subscribe. Kasi ang target natin is 400,000 subscribers ngayong 2023. Huwag nyo nang paabutin ng mahal na araw, please lang. Sige na. I-follow nyo ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Kumpleto ko niyan. May sarili akong YouTube channel. youtube.com/StanleyChi. At syempre, pakinggan nyo podcast ko, Underpaid with Stanley Chi, sa Spotify and Apple Podcasts. So, paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video. Dito lang, sa Philcoche. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!